Hi everyone, this is Salman. Today in this video, I'll explain to you that how to get your dream job. In this video, I'll share with you some important steps that can really help you out to get your dream job. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel for having such motivational videos in future. Guys, in this world, everyone think that to have a dream job is just like a piece of cake. But reality is completely inverse of it. When we get disappointed by applying too many places but we didn't get response as we are expecting to, then finally what we do, we started compromising with ourselves and try to start our life from new horizon. So there is nothing to worry about. Now it's time to boost up, and you can come over on your mindset which is stopping you to move ahead in life. Step number 1, talent improvement. It is like same of mobile phone. You always try to get that mobile phone which is upgraded and has more features in it. In the same way, every company, whether it is national or international, want to hire a staff which have contemporary talent and can do multitask. For this thing, you have to practice your talent in which you think you are good at, unless you do not get the job. Step number 2, homework. Do some homework about companies and their competitors. Why competitors? Because when you'll be giving interview, you can inform them about their competitor and their competitors' strategies for future, which can make them for you to consider you as a strong candidate. Step number 3, startup. If you got this golden opportunity to start your job, then do not think for a second to start it, because from lower position you always learn as much as comparing to the higher position, and this basic knowledge and experience will be very helpful for you. Step number 4, keep on switching. This is one of the best way to make your value in market. It is like as much as you switch your job from one place to another place, that much you get paid, that much you get valuable in market. But remember one thing, this switching period or gap should be at least of 2 years, because minimum 2 years of experience is acceptable. Last but not the least, step number 5, patience. Patience is the key for every successful person. Patience means to wait for your turn, to wait for your time to come on. If you do not have patience, that means you cannot be ever succeeded. And it is a basic formula for early set steps. Thank you for watching this video. Till my next video, please take care of yourself.